Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hold My...
I dropped it.
Hey! It's on ball!
Yeah, well, not anymore, you're not.
God damn, we can't even start the video without the Vipers turning the football over? 3 straight weeks, they blow it in the fourth quarter, and they kick off week 4, biting themselves in the ass. Ensuing drive for DC. Got Las Vegas looking stupid. Second and goal, goes into the end zone. Touchdown defenders. They take the lead in your 2023 Week 4 XFL game. Highlight commentary. Meanwhile, the violent fellatios would do the same as the other XFL undefeated squad, Roughnecks, would find the end zone for the score, and on the 2-point conversion,
access denied.
ensuing drive for the Guardians.
I dropped it.
Hands just for decoration out the backfield. The pass was backwards, so it'd be ruled a fumble. Recovered by the violent cunnilinguses, and the Roughnecks take a 2-score lead. Orlando's winless for a reason, and they continue to get 2 for their mistakes. 14-0 deficit. Think fast. 4th and 1 for the Sea Dragons. Ben DiCucci's pass sails incomplete. Turnover on downs for Seattle. Brett Hundley in at quarterback. 3rd and goal inside the 10 for the Vipers. You could have seen this video early and ad-free. Make sure to join on patreon.com/Chiseled Adonis, and you won't have to worry about ads. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description. Arlington and St. Louis both 2-1. 28-yard field goal for the Battlehawks to take an early 3-0 lead. 33-yard field goal for the Vipers, sailing wide to the right. No good.
What the fuck?
Houston needs to change their team name from Roughneck to Rough Thrust because the Guardians continue to get fucked. Kirkland going down the field, got Burnett on a little bit of trickery. Touchdown Houston, 3-possession game, and the necrophilia challenge begins in the first quarter, cause Orlando might be dead, but they're somehow still getting fucked. Hey look guys, the Vipers are trying another field goal. He doinked it in. He actually doinked it in. The Brahmas looking to take the lead early. 38-yard field goal through the uprights, and it's good. San Antonio's in front. 3rd and goal in the period-colored zone for the defenders. Look at King run through defenders. Got the Vipers looking terrible out there. 2-possession lead for DC. With Las Vegas getting their ass whipped for 4 consecutive weeks, I understand why the Mafia executed Bugsy Siegel. Hey, look, guys, the necrophilia stopped. Orlando scored.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Arlington finally trying to do something. They've got a man.
Yoink.
But he plays for the other team. Pass ricocheted and intercepted by the Battlehawks.
Ducky, ducky, quack, quack.
Ensuing drive, A.J. McCarron would waste little time taking advantage of the interception, cooking apple. Turnovers, pass intercepted by the Renegades. Heronical 16 versus 22. Trusting the power of the Dreadlocks to get the pick. They're lucky there's no Dragon Balls, because I'd wish for A.J. McCarron's wife to get on my
Hey, watch your mouth.
Heavens to Betsy, I'm sorry about that. I don't know where that came from. Shorty, fine. Hey, when was the last time you cleaned inside your nose? Trick question, because there's too much hair up in there. So let me help you get that situated with the brand new Manscaped Weed Whacker 2.0 ear and nose hair trimmer. Manscaped is trusted by more than 8 million men worldwide for their trimmers, hygiene, and shower formulations in premium boxes. And here they come again, changing the grooming game with a brand new product. For every unwanted hair that grows, make sure you have the Weed Whacker 2.0 in your nose. The Weed Whacker 2.0 uses a powerful 7,000 RPM motor with an improvised steel blade system and upgraded cutting performance from their first generation. And of course, this trimmer comes with skin-safe technology to reduce nicks, snags, and tugs. Also, being cordless, rechargeable, and has a battery up to 45 minutes of runtime. Keep in mind, when you select a peak hygiene plan with your purchase, you'll receive a replaceable blade every 3 months delivered straight to your door. Plus, the Weed Whacker 2.0 will be in all Manscaped tool sets, including the Platinum Package 4.0 and the Performance Package 4.0. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description and go to manscaped.com/chiseled and save 20% off your very next order, plus free international shipping only at manscaped.com. Another 33-yard field goal attempt for the Vipers goes through the uprights, and it's good. Arlington would take advantage of the interception, put a 37-yarder through the uprights, tie game 3-all in St. Louis. Let's check on Orlando. Did they finally get back into this game?
I guess not.
Very next play following the sack. I get why they call Orlando the Guardians, because they like to guard. But a fingers. Fumble on the play, scooped up by the violent fellatio, analingus, cunnilingus roughnecks. They take the football away. And on the very next play, they'd waste little time reinserting themselves into Orlando's poop chute as Kirkland gets behind the secondary, finds the end zone after throwing a touchdown earlier. He's caught another touchdown for the 4th straight week, and the Roughnecks continue the necrophilia as the Guardians continue to get fucked. No Vaseline up the poop chute. Funny enough, on the very next drive, the Guardians would march down the field with ease and speed as they'd finally find the end zone and score a touchdown, once more stopping the necrophilia and cutting their deficit down to 16. Get your Vagisil, here comes the XFLs.
Pussy.
Ben DiCucci Nucci looking towards his right, got his man, goes into the end zone, touchdown, Sea Dragons take the lead. 33 seconds remain in the half. Can somebody explain to me what the hell are the Brahmas doing? Because they giving out
Donations. Gifts. More gifts.
Still tied at 3-all in St. Louis, but not for long. A.J. McCarron lofts a pass to the left, got his man in the end zone wide open. Battlehawks are back in front. On the 2-point conversion, bust out your Uno cards because McCarron would tell the Renegades 2 for your mistakes. 1st and goal for the Vipers, out of timeouts. Luis Perez is going to use his feet, dials up voicemail, calls his own number, goes into the end zone. Touchdown, Vipers!
Nani?
Upon further review, Perez's arm went down. Although it was in the end zone, the football was half a yard short of breaking the plane. Thus, the touchdown would be removed. And because there were no timeouts remaining for Las Vegas, not only would they have the points taken off the board, the clock would also expire, and we're going to halftime. Rod Woodson is hot.
Dude, what the fuck?
I cannot believe it.
Wouldn't let that shit happen to me, though.
57-yard field goal for the Brahmas, booted all the way through the uprights and good. Tie game going into the break. What a kick.
You need a shout out? Book me on Cameo.com/Chiseled Adonis and get a shout out, birthday wishes, draft order for your fantasy football team. It don't matter. Book me. What are you waiting for?
Into the second half we go. 4th and 1 for the Vipers. They're participating in the Frank Costanza challenge, cuz.
I stopped short.
Football reject Paxton Lynch takes the snap, launches it down the middle of the field. He's got Charles No Sylvester Stallone Rambo, goes down the middle into the end zone, 81-yard touchdown. And what do you know? Orlando's made it a 10-point game.
Would have thought.
Not me.
Still a stalemate in Seattle.
Holy shit! Oh, where the fuck did he come from?
Battlehawks at the 15, hand off to Hill. Give me your ankles, pussy! Goes into the end zone. 2-score game for the St. Louis Battlehawks. Mans turned the defender into a pebble of turf. Ensuing drive for Slaughter and the Renegades. Looking over the middle, and he's got a man. But he plays for the other team. Pass intercepted by the Battlehawks again. Just when Orlando thought they were building momentum, the rough Fellatios drive down the field with ease and go into the end zone for the score. The lead is 16 again. 35-yard field goal to regain the lead for the Sea Dragons through the uprights, and it's good. Oh, look, the score is 69.
Nasty bitch.
35-yard field goal for DC through the uprights, and it's good. They lead by 14. Ensuing drive, here come the Sweeney left all alone, races into the end zone, touchdown. Las Vegas has cut it down to 1 score. With momentum swinging in their favor, Luis Perez would take out his Uno cards and give DC absolutely nothing.
Swipe or no swiping.
Fuck out of here.
You're too late.
I dropped it.
It's on ball, ain't it? It's on ball! Hey! It's on ball!
Las Vegas forced a fumble, but unfortunately they did not recover it. Think fast, near 5-minute drive for the Renegades. They drive all the way down the field, 87 yards, touchdown. They cut it down to 1 score. Then on the 2-point conversion, they would try a little bit of trickery. With the running back pass, it's complete. 6-point game.
You want to become an official member at Hold My Nuggets Incorporated? Head over to ChiseledAdonisShop.com and grab your merch. Stock is flying off the shelves. Get it before it's gone. Grab a hat. Let the people know your affiliation.
3rd and 12 for Long John Silvers. Takes the snap, launches it down the middle of the field. Harris is wide open, and he'd go into the end zone for the score. It appears that Orlando must be guardians of the losing column because they don't want anybody else to join them. How can you suck this bad? 10 minutes left to play. St. Louis trying to regain momentum. McCarron rainbows it to the right. He's got a man participating in the 5 toes down challenge. Touchdown, Battlehawks. The lead is back up to 2 scores on a magnificent grab by Butler. And you can tack on an additional point because on the 1-point conversion, the pass would be completed. 26-yard field goal for DC, booted through the uprights, and it's good. 11-point lead for the defenders.
Went to the liquor store. I loaded up with alcohol, more specifically vodka, whiskey, beer, tequila, more beer, more vodka, more whiskey, more beer. I was gonna drink all night long. Call that a beer belly.
4th and 9 for the Renegades. Under 5 minutes left to play. Butterfingers. Fumble on the play. Recovered by St. Louis. Crack open the KY jelly. Orlando's taking all comers. Their cheeks continue to be filled as the necrophilia continues. Getting punched out here because they may be dead, but they're still getting fucked.
Oh God, I killed him! I won't go back to prison! My butthole can't take that abuse!
6-9 remains the score, but not for long. Sea Dragons dive into the end zone for the score. They lead by 2 possessions. Meanwhile, 1-score game, 4th and 2. Defenders looking to take the dead Namekian into the funeral home and put the nail in the coffin. Touchdown! 2 minutes left to go. The Brahmas need to respond. Pass sails incomplete on 4th and 1.
Well, shit. What are y'all doing?
I thought they shut off the broadcast for Las Vegas. They drove down the field. They've got a man in the middle of the end zone. Touchdown. Oh, wait a minute. It's not over. They failed a 2-point conversion. Try the onside attempt on 4th and 15.
Failure.
2 first downs and this game is over. Ben DiCucci takes the snap. They're gonna throw. Launches it towards his left. Got a man. But he plays for the other team. Pass intercepted by the Brahmas.
Hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. Also, follow me on all social media networks, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Chiseled Adonis. Make sure you get your fix of all Chiseled Adonis content.
They got another chance. Very next play following the interception.
Nobody's blocking.
Under a minute left to go for Arlington. They need 2 scores.
Yoink.
The pass is intercepted. What a spectacular feat of athleticism. Picked off by the Battlehawks, and this game is over. Look at the peak awareness for that pick, bruh. Maximum effort. 23-yard field goal. DC just rubbing it in through the uprights, and it's good. 4th and 1 from midfield. Brahmas need a first down. The pass is incomplete. San Antonio's offense continues to suck as they would once again have to join the Vipers, Renegades, and Guardians in taking out their Metro cars and getting aboard the
It's over. You lose.
Failure.
Get the fuck out of here!
What's for dinner? Fresh hot ales.
You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.